Hey guys, Adam here in the Aeroworks Makers Lab. We're right next door to the Aeroworks workshop where we're building the Super Duty. And I've been getting a lot of requests and questions about the Super Duty seats that you've seen in a few previous videos. So I want to talk a little bit about who made them, what they're made out of, and kind of what you need to expect if you are going to be ordering seats anytime soon. So these seats were designed by Flightline Interiors from a concept that I had. I sent it over to Abby at Flightline Interiors. A little bit about Flightline Interiors. They are actually an OEM manufacturer of all Vans aircraft seats, or at least the seats that are included with the RV12 kit over at Vans. So they stay extremely busy. And of course, we've seen a huge uptick in kit construction this year with COVID and everything. So if you are going to be ordering any seats from any manufacturer, let alone from Flightline Interiors, you want to make sure and get your order in, get in line quick, because you're looking at about a 6 to 8 month wait to get custom seats. But let's talk a little bit about what we did here. I kind of took a design from Cirrus Aircraft with the cross hatch stitching, and I sent it over to Abby, and I said I want to incorporate my company colors, and I also asked her if she can incorporate the logo, which she obviously did here. So these seats are black. They're made out of what's called ultra leather, and ultra leather is primarily what's used in commercial aircraft seats. So you know how much seat wear gets used in a commercial aircraft. So they're extremely rugged, but they have the look and feel of natural leather. They're super tough. When I first got the swatches that were sent to me, I thought, well, this is kind of chintzy leather. It looks pretty thin. But they actually sew a backing onto the leather, so that makes it thicker. Then you've got all your padding and things like that. So it's something to keep in mind. Super high quality work they did. They used the orange stitching on all my seats, did the logo, made a custom armrest for the Super Duty center console. And then this piece here is my control stick boot, which she actually came out. We're based in Wisconsin, and so is Flightline Interiors, so it was very easy for Abby and her husband to come out, take some measurements. They came out several times to make adjustments so that any future Super Duty builders will have awesome seats, because they've based them off of a real Super Duty that they've been able to see and touch and take measurements from. On the seats themselves, we've got the removable cushion at the bottom. They include Velcro strips on the bottom so that you can attach them to your finished seat pans. We actually went through one iteration of seat cushion because the original ones were slightly wider, and I'm not sure if that was based on an older seat pan style or what, but she took them down just perfect. They fit nice and snug, but they're not too tight in there. And then the back on the Super Duty, of course, which does fold down, so you can access that rear jump seat, which we're going to talk about in a second. Nice contoured back. And then on the back of the seat, we've got a nice map pocket here, and the flaps and everything that covers up all the seat rails, and everything looks extremely nice. They're very high quality. Very nice stitching. Everything is really top notch. You couldn't ask for a better custom seat for an airplane, and they look fantastic when they're in there. I do want to show you one more thing, and that is the jump seat, which is not in the standard Zenith Cruiser or the standard STOL aircraft. So let's take a look at that now. All right, so here are the pads for the rear jump seat in the Super Duty. Now the Super Duty does have the ability to carry up to a 200-pound passenger in the back. Now these are just pads themselves. There's no structure to them. The Super Duty kit kind of leaves it up to the builder to come up with what solution you're going to have for a seat structure under the pads. So whether that be aluminum or plywood or what have you, we're still working on that. But we've got the pads to match the custom seats. Again, the stitching and everything is there. They do have a Velcro ability to open up and get the padding out of there. And then of course we've got the back pad, all of which they have the Velcro on the bottom for sticking it onto the aircraft structure. So guys, I hope you like the review videos that we're doing. We're going to be doing some more in the future. If there's something you do want to see or something you want to see more of, just let us know down below. We're also thinking of doing a Q&A session where you guys can dial in live and ask your questions, whether it be about the Zenith build, maybe about a product that we're using, or just let us know what you're building. So again, it's Adam with Aeroworks. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos, and we'll see you on the next one.